So this is the second diamondback rattlesnake that we have encountered in Texas. This one is a different species. This is not a western diamondback. This is another one, and I can't think of the species right now. But as you can see, it mostly just wants to get away. There he is. And it's hard to see him anymore.
Today we're hiking the Aztec Cave Trail in the Franklin Mountains. It's located just outside of El Paso, Texas. We're going to be hiking to that place right there. Route or go this route. Quick side note here, in case it helps anyone else. It was about here on the trail that I started to feel unwell, and as soon as I came to some shade, I sat down. Now, what I mean by unwell is that I suddenly felt like I was going to projectile vomit. My face became pale and clammy, and I was a little dizzy. And I remembered that the survival expert Les Stroud had once said that if you carry a handkerchief and place it in water, you can put it on your neck to cool the blood in your carotid arteries. This is a treatment used for someone suffering from the effects of heat exhaustion, and that is exactly what I did. I asked my husband to pour water over this band, which I had originally purchased as a hairband and for sun protection on my neck. I placed the cool material on my neck, and in about 5 minutes I started to cool down. In 10 minutes started to feel a little bit better, and after 20 minutes I was able to leave the trail. Just thought that this would be important to know for anyone else out there hiking the high desert. It possibly saved me a trip to the hospital.